Hey guys, in this video we'll be looking at the fan wall feature in Mobimatic App Builder. With this feature you'll be able to create a kind of a forum where your customers can communicate and discuss things with each other. It's really simple. One thing you can do is you can set a near me radius. So in other words, customers or users will only see posts by people close and around them. People will be able to post maps, photos, news articles, a whole bunch of stuff. So let's add one. We give it a title, test post, make it a date, today is the date, and subtitle, wow. And we can put some text in. And also insert a picture. And there we go. We've created a post on our fan wall. If you've installed a fan wall, so people will be able to comment on this, it's pretty much like a Facebook, but only for your own app. People will be able to comment, put photos, and do all kinds of things on here. What you also have is, once you've got it, you've got the ability to go and turn off posts. You've got the ability to go and edit posts and delete posts if people put stuff on that you do not necessarily like. And that is the fan wall feature on Mobimatic App Builder. See you in the next video. Cheers.